Alright, so I've been procrastinating this for a while, but I actually finally got a camera, which is what you're looking at right now. It is a Canon G7X Mark II, and I was playing around with it a little bit, and basically this is just a sound test, and I wanted to see what the audio was like. I'm currently outside, which is really what I want to use it, like the place I want to use it is outside, and the audio was kind of crappy when I was using it other places. I keep it rolling, we're going one take. I don't care. And so like, I low-key am thinking about returning it, but at the same time I don't want to return it. I wish it just worked. I like that it's small and stuff, but I'm a little sad that the audio is a little bad, slash maybe it's just the wind. I'm thinking about getting a create like a little wind, a little fuzz thing to put on it. Maybe the mic will be better. But whenever I was watching it, there's like a little bit of background noise. We'll see if this one has more or less. We'll see after I'm done recording this. And I was like, what can I tell you about? I was like, alright, let's just see what's on my mind. Focus, we're almost done. And I was like, what have I been doing lately, right? Two things. Keep it together. We're keeping this recording. Whatever is you see is gonna go live. Alright? You know what? I was gonna tell you. Why are you making that noise? You know I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Yes, it's gonna go on YouTube. No. Okay. Anyway, I was going to tell you about React Native, because that's what I was thinking about today. Because I got this really gnarly problem. But at this point, this video is getting kind of weird. I'll leave you with this note. No, it's not getting weird? Okay, I'll leave you with this note. Scroll views and React Native and keyboards don't really go together well when I want to click on the form and then I want the scroll bar to like scroll up so this little input field is in the view, and I tried installing this library to help me out, but it just does not work that well on Android. And so what I did is this crappy hack where I pushed up some random height so you can see the text input field. Yeah, I don't know, man. So I've been just thinking about that. This is a good enough test. We'll see if the audio worked at all. Off.